Tarp maintenance, a few important reminders from Souls Enterprises Inc., specific for round bunkers with lift rings and tower bunkers like this one shown here. To start, we'll take a look at the tower bunker with lift ring, and you can see here that the lift ring is flush with the grain, which is what it should look like when the tarp's installed. However, over time, that grain is going to settle, and as it does, the tarp is stretched at the lift ring, which can lead to tears like this one, or full-blown catastrophes like this one. So, you can avoid this mess by regularly checking and lowering your lift ring. Next up, we've got the tower bunker. In this drawing, you can see 4 towers, and just like with the lift ring, the grain is going to settle, the tarp will pull or stretch around each tower, as shown here in this photo. So the solution is to regularly check the towers, cut the tarp, patch, and resew to keep it flush with the grain. Here's a photo to show you what that looks like around the tower. And that's it. Tarp maintenance, we got it covered.